think that's quite an interesting concept of imagining life before AI. Throughout the decades, there's been peaks and troughs of the technology. I want you to think about a time where there was no recommender on your television, where based on your personal interaction with a device, the technology gets to know you better. And that's where the AI then comes in. Through the data, through your natural engagement with particular devices, it is able to recommend music, it's able to recommend content, social media engagements. How we even engage with people is now different. My name is Ati Ngubevana, a group executive for AI and automation in Vodacom. One of the things I believe is a very strong enabler of AI is actually humanity. The intelligent part represents what humans can or can't do. AI is such an amazing enabler of creativity within the corporate team space. Teams are becoming more efficient. The time it takes for us to deliver solutions is faster. The customers in the society that we serve will stand to benefit tremendously through the adoption of AI and how teams actually operate. All the way to generating ideas on what could be done from a strategy perspective, the art of the possible, all the way to, in the technology space, being able to actually build applications that would have taken months to build, and it gets done within a matter of hours. Whether you're a strategist trying to understand what is your next from an organization department perspective, to you trying to understand what are the different features that you want to build within your software solution, all the way to the development lifecycle of actually building the code, having automated QA, automated testing, automated deployment within a matter of hours. What would have taken months for the problem to be solved means now within a matter of days it can be solved. Our strategy perspective of being able to invest in multiple industries has allowed us to then enable our enterprise customers in a way that a traditional telco wouldn't have been able to. We've got a company that was within Vodacom that has the ability to use devices to actually enable the understanding of soil composition. It means now if you are in the agricultural space, we've got technologies that can actually help you enable more efficient crop yield, therefore increasing your profitability and therefore budgeting. So there's those ripple effects. Different industries are being enabled even in the retail space through another subsidiary that then gets to understand the physical footprint of our retail stores. How do we then infuse AI to make sure that customers are driven to the right locations in these retail stores? So we've got a lot of subsidiaries that are enablers of AI within the value chain of the enterprise customer service. So we've got abilities now to use AI in the cybersecurity space. Through digitization, and therefore AI adoption, we're technically speaking exposing ourselves to the potential of cybersecurity risk. So we are then in a position as Vodacom to enable heightened level of cybersecurity capability. One of the problem statements that our energy provider mentioned was the quality, reliability of coal. Right? So whether the coal is moving from the pit all the way to the port, and the reliability, consistency, and the quality of the coal being transported was also one of the key points that caused our inconsistency of energy. So through the combination of the Internet of Things, which is IoT.next in our organization, and connectivity and data, we've been able to partner with our energy provider to ensure, from a logistics perspective, we can ensure quality of coal from pit all the way to port and all the way to it actually going into the fire. So you'd find that now, as part of our national agenda and enabling consistent energy efficiency, we find that there's a now elevated reliability, which I believe were a key contributor in ensuring quality coal is delivered through the technology, through connectivity in our traditional telco, IoT, big data capability. We see and value technology as an enabler of our human purpose. Whether we're connecting for good, ensuring that connectivity is affordable and reliable and everywhere you go within the African continent, we also see the opportunity to be an enabler of SMEs, where access to connectivity, access to markets, access to continuous growth is not something that's left because of your financial muscle. So my wish for Vodacom is to be that global enabler of industries, and it doesn't matter where in the globe you are. The more I understand, I owe it to myself to be the most responsible AI creator and consumer. People will not be replaced by AI, but the people will be replaced by people who know AI.